So, ay na po yung kakong system, sir. So, subukan tayo na pong i-run. And then, run as Java application. So, ayun yung kakong system, sir. So, pinili ko yung design nyo ni sir kasi burige po. So, first name, Jester. David. Middle name, last name. Tapos, female or male. Syempre, male, sir. And then, birthday. 2005-09-16. And then, pulling number, manulatan na mo, sir. And then, contact number, 09. So, address. Model Unity. And then, program, computer science, Loren choices cancer, so information technology. And then, add na, sir. So, student added successfully. So, check tayo kayang access tamo, sir, nung Luntoyo. So ayun na, sir Luntoyo na. First name, middle name, last name, gender, birth date. Tapos, yan, sir Luntoyo ang gana-gana. Tapos, subukan tayo kanyan i-add ulit, sir. So, pagka-add mo, student added successfully. Check tayo ulit kanyan, sir. Nung Luntoyo po ulit. So, Lintoya, sir, na may double. So, delete tala kanyang pareha. Delete tala pong parehas nung delete la. Student deleted and then student deleted. So, matata ulit yung access and then enrollment system. So, student, may wala lang na, sir. Tapos po, add tayo ulit. And then, student added successfully. Tapos, try tayo pong i-update. So, palitan tayong sabihan ko ng Jess. Tapos, in David ko, gawang kay Ramos. Tapos, David. Tapos, gawin tayong female, sir. Tapos, birthday tayo, 17. Tapos, yan. Tapos, gawin tayong Pew. So, update. So, student updated successfully. So, may palitan niya kayo, sir. So, check tayo kanya kayong access nung gumana yun. So, ulitin tayo kanya, sir. So, student. So, ayan, sir. May palitan niya. Jess Ramos David, female. So, 917. Sa Pew address. So, subukan tayo kanyan. I-delete, sir. Tapos, student deleted successfully. And then, ulitan tayo. So, may wala na yan, sir. Tapos, subukan tayo niya i-clear. And then, Milo ko lang, sir. So, ito mo po, sir. Thank you.